In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text in Framer. Adding and styling text in Framer is a straightforward process, and by the end of this quick guide, you'll have all the know-how you need to enhance your design projects with beautifully styled text. Let's dive right in. To start, open your Framer project. Once you're inside, there are two simple and effective ways to add text. The first method involves using the keyboard shortcut. Just press the T key on your keyboard. Once you do that, move over to your canvas and click anywhere you'd like to start typing. The second method is equally intuitive. Look towards the top left corner of the interface and you'll notice a text icon. Click on that, and then, just like with the first method, click anywhere on your canvas to begin adding text. Once you've placed your text, you can customize it to suit your project's needs. Click on the text you've just added to select it. This action will open the Properties panel on the right-hand side of your screen. Here, the first thing you'll notice is the Link option. This is a nifty tool if you want to make your text interactive. Clicking on Link allows you to tie your text to another page on your website or even link it to an external URL. This essentially transforms your text into a clickable hyperlink, a handy feature for creating dynamic and engaging projects. Now let's move on to the text customization options within the Properties panel. Scroll down to find the Text section. Here you can edit the content itself, choosing a font from the rich selection available to match your design aesthetic. Font weight is another customizable feature. You can adjust it from thin through medium, bold, italic, or even extra bold, depending on the emphasis you're aiming for in your design. You also have the option to tweak the font size so that it fits perfectly within your layout. Directly under font size, you'll find the letter option. This controls the spacing between individual characters. Adjusting this can enhance readability or create a distinctive stylistic effect. If your text stretches across multiple lines, the line spacing option will be your go-to tool. This allows you to adjust the vertical distance between lines, which can be increased or decreased based on your layout preference. Don't forget about text alignment. You can align your text to the left, right, center, or justify it, ensuring your design looks just the way you envision. Once you've made all your adjustments, your text will be fully customized and ready to go. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive way to add and style text in Framer. Happy designing, and be sure to experiment with these settings to create the perfect look for your projects.